Hey, what is your name?
Hello. My name is Mary.
I'm Tony. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you doing?
Just fine. And you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Do you live in New York City?
No, I live in Boston.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 sons.
How old are your sons?
The eldest is 8 and the youngest is 7.
Do they go to school?
Yes, they both go to school.
Is their school far from your home?
No, it's not far. It's just a block away.
Do you work at the post office?
No, I work at a pharmacy.
Are you a pharmacist?
Yes, I'm a pharmacist.
Should you get to work early in the morning?
No, I should be there at 9.
How many hours a day do you work?
I work 8 hours, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Are you happy with your salary?
Yes, the pay is good.
How do you get to work every day?
I usually go on foot, but if it is cold or it rains, I go by bus.
Is your workplace away from your home?
Not much. It is a 30-minute walk. What is your job?
I work at the post office.
Are you a postman?
No. I'm a clerk and sell stamps, mailing envelopes, and boxes.
Do you like your job?
Not at all. It's quite boring and there is no growth and advancement possibilities in my workplace.
How long have you been working there?
I have been working for a post office for 4 years.
Are you thinking about changing your job?
Yes. I am studying French at college. I want to be a French teacher.
What time is it?
It's 6:30.
Can you tell me the time again?
Sure, it's 6:30 p.m.
I should go now. I want to go to cinema.
What time does the film start?
It starts at 7 o'clock.
Is it an action movie?
No. It's a historical film.
Do you like historical movies?
Yes, I love them. How about you?
I don't like historical movies. I prefer documentaries.
Documentaries are very popular.
Do you like modern arts?
Yes, I like modern arts very much.
Do you like art museums?
Yes, I do.
Have you seen Louvre Museum?
No. Where is it?
It is in Paris, France.
When did you go to France?
Last summer I went there with my brother.
Does your brother like Louvre Museum too?
Yes, he does.
Are you hungry now?
No, I'm not hungry now.
Do you cook your own food?
No. I never cook. I eat out.
Do you live with your parents?
No. I live alone. My father died last winter. My mother lives with my little brother.
How's she?
She is doing fine.
What is she like?
She is kind and honest.